Hi beloveds, and welcome to Yini Yoga Preview. I want to continue our conversation about breathing. Breathing is the fundamentals of our life. Without breath, it is difficult for us to live. Many of us forget how important it is to breathe until we need to. And that's why it's important that we talk about breath first from the perspective of the three different parts of breathing. Most of us, when I say take a deep breath, we go, we breathe in only at the top part. But there is a whole part of our body, a part of our universe and system that breathes deep within. That includes filling up our ribs, which expands through our back, and our diaphragm. And when we connect to our breath using all these different components, as well as engaging what is called the Mula Bhanda, which is that space between the anus, the urethra, and the yoni, it's the perineum. When you engage that lock, that bandha, that's what it's called, it allows you to activate through your spine. You know you're engaging it the moment then when you pull your navel into your spine. Again, when you're pulling that navel in, engaging that Mula Bhanda, again, it's not a Kegel, it is that space between. That automatically engages your spine and allows you to sit up straighter. Then when you take that breath, allowing your lungs to expand, your belly then naturally expands, and then when you exhale, you pull the navel to the spine. That is how you create new and fresh oxygen within. Try it now yourself. Now you're engaging the Mula Bhanda. Again, we'll continue to talk about that. So we're engaging that. Pull your navel to your spine. Allow your shoulders to relax. Take a nice big inhale. Allow your belly to fill. Roll your shoulders back. Allow your spine to engage. And exhale. Allow your navel to pull in even tighter. Allow your body to come in naturally. Once you start to practice that breath, you will begin to then learn the next steps of Yini Yoga, which include engaging the Mula Bhanda at all times, as well as that sacral through the navel. We'll continue our breathing talk very soon, beloveds. Thank you again. I'm Tonya Gonzalez, creator of Yini Yoga, Brown Girls Who Bruja, and Tarot Life Coach. I send you so much love. Until next time, beloveds, namaste.